Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys, today's Monday. Sinuot ka na naman ito. Tinanggal ko to kagabi kasi yung tulog. Binalik ko kasi sobrang ginaw. And I'm going to turn the fireplace kasi para pag bumangon si Bianan, doon siya nakaupo sa upuan. And maginawin pa naman siya. And din ako din maginaw. So I think mas maginaw pa sa kanya. So let's turn this on. No. Nakaupo na naman. Lugat na pala guys. Kailangan kong kailangan kong i-change yung battery. Ngayon guys, ang plano namin ni Tami, papunta si Tami dito today. Ang plano namin, we have to cut the grass kasi tumutubo na siya and ang dami ding dahon. We're going to cut it and pasensya na ha, nagsalamin ako kasi sobrang aga ako. Sobrang aga nag-reply and also reading comment. And my comments doon na early in the morning, talagang sinabi na ang pangit ng asawa mo, Ining. I don't know if you seen that one. Blind ata yun. Well, sa iba talaga, hindi naman talaga mahitsura yung asawa ko. Para sa akin, mahitsura yung asawa ko. Early in the morning, yun yung nabasa ko. Pabayaan lang natin yan kasi yun yung paningin niya. Kaya parang may iba ata yung mata niya. Anyway, so hintayin ko lang si Tami. And pinakain ko na sila, kumain na. And hinintayin ko lang si Bianan. Easy lang man din yun si Bianan kasi pakainin ko lang siya ng egg. Kasi yun yung gusto niya egg and then toasted bread with butter on top. Guys, tignan nyo to guys. Look. Tignan mo yung dalawa yan. Nag-enjoy sa fireplace. Look. It's so cute, han. Nah. Because I'm talking, look. Roxy garap. Tignan nyo to. What is that, Miss D? What is that? What is that? Nag-enjoy si Hubs over there. Oh my god, he's such a boy, Han. Han? He's such a little bug. Hubs! Hubs! You're so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god, kusi-kusi morning tayo guys. Kusi-kusi morning. Dito pa rin yung blanket ko. Matatapos ko lang nagano sa kanya guys. Yan. Nilinis ko lang siya. What are you doing, little boy? Yan. And then ipasuot ko to sa kanya. And then lutuan natin si Bianan ng egg. Ibigay ko lang to sa kanya para i-ano ng mukha niya. Towel. Ma'am? Here, towel for your face. Yeah, I'll love you guys. Okay. Here, ma'am. And then take this. I'll give you a coffee after, and we'll be back. Okay. That's your breakfast. Leave it knife? No. Here. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko next is maglinis sa toilet. He's here, guys. So what do you want? Where is Tommy? Oh my God, nandun siya. Ito, itong si Tommy. It. Yeah, because you always drag there's like some of the pieces over there, like
Dragging them on one, and I go right through that.
crazy the way you do it. You have to run slowly. Siya na yung nagkakat, guys. Grabe yung abog. Ay, maliligo kami nito. Nakakatawa man itong lawnmower. Kinuha namin yung bagging. Kasi, ano siya waste of bag. Masira man yan niya ba? Nag-change na talaga yung mga dahon. Wala nang dahon yung iba, guys. Oh. Upaw na upaw. Nag-change na yung mga kahoy. Change color na talaga. Hi guys, hindi pa rin ako tapos. Pasensya na sa mukha ko kasi madumi sa abog. Dust, guys. Kami mo is making some burger also. Dito, hindi pa nga ako tapos, oh. Hindi pa ako tapos. Doon pa yung ano, lawnmower. Tinanggal ko yung pang ano, guys, yung pang kulik ng leaves kasi hindi pa talaga masyadong leaves. Akala ko ang dami, so makakat pa pala siya ng ano. Pasensya na ha, ang dumi ng ang kamay ko, ang dumi. Look. Ito din oh. Look. We're here all outside, guys. Dito din si mother dito din. Katatapos ko lang nagcut ng grass, so yun, I cut it lower this time that we don't have to like yeah.
Got it lower because I lowered the blade. And then you yell at me for lowering the blade. They said, oh, maybe not.
No, because the way you cut it, you go to the side, and I think that's how you ruin the left blade. Because you run over like maybe broken glasses. Look at his burger for lunch. I'm still gonna cook the chicken. Time to ready whatever.
Hey!
You gonna dada?
Rox, come here, Rox. Come here.
Let's see. Lapit na siya. Iba ang tingin. She's looking with the machine. Don't do that, Han, because you won't trust you. Look, she's looking at what.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
She's looking at that. What Dada did. He's trying to scare you. He's trying to scare you.
Really?
He's trying to scare you, baby. Rocky! Oh, baby. Come here, baby. Come to mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. I know.
She came to me when I had it in my hand. Did she come to you when you had it in your hand?
Yeah, I know. She goes to grandma. And she goes to grandma. Oh my God, honey. Careful with the fire, honey. Wait.
Go inside.
Do not be
Careful with the
pushed.
fire.
Tell me to go.
Seriously?
Sinabihan ako, layas. Layas? You told me go away? Nag-burger siya. Nag-burger siya. Ako, mag-marinate ako ng chicken para dinner. It's 4:13 already. What a late day. Marinate tayo ng pork. Oh, pork. Yung chicken, corn hen. Oh, sobrang liit. Small chicken, marinate ko siya. Ganyan-ganyan. Ito na siya, guys. Minarinate ko lang siya ng toyo. 2 lime at saka garlic powder at saka yung garlic. Inano ko siya, kinakat yung garlic. So, yun lang siya. Pabayaan ko lang siya and then inano ko din siya. Dinunggab-dunggab. So, ngayon guys, tapos na ako half bath. Sapat lang guys, eh. So, ngayon, andito tong chicken. So, itong chicken is hindi pa rin nagbabago. Chicken pa rin na maliit. Yan, ito yung lemongrass. Ang bango ng lemongrass. So, garlic. My style of liquid.
It's gonna be mixed with the hubby food.
Okay. So, ito guys. Gawin natin. Meron siya dito ulit sa loob. Ilagay ko itong onion, garlic, at lemongrass.
You okay getting to the chair?
A nutrition tip only Eggland's does. Better taste, better nutrition, better eggs. It's hardly help the daily fiber Melissa is watching TV on the laptop using her phone.
Tonight at 7:30 on CBS 2 on Twitter.
So, ito guys, ngayon guys, ang gagawin ko is meron ditong juice. Okay? So, lagyan ko siya ng pepper. Lagyan ko siya ng oil. Lagyan ko din siya ng lime. Tika mo na ha. So, ito lang siya guys. Yung kanina na juice. Ano lang siya. Yeah, yun lang siya. Simple lang. Nilagyan ko tong tubig guys. Yung saan ko nilagay yung chicken. May ano sa ilalim. Nilagyan ko siya ng tubig para hindi siya dry. Buso, buso.
Also a possible solution to snoring with a 10-minute procedure. The one-of-a-kind approach that does not involve surgery.
And shining a light on an important issue.
Luto tayo ng mashed potato. Ito siya, yung mashed potato na lulutuin natin. Si Tammy umalis. Pupunta siya ng grocery store para bumili ng gulay. Kasi wala pang gulay dito. Meron tayong cup dito. 3/4 cup milk. Ilagay natin dito. Nilagyan ko na siya ng 2 cup, mainit na tubig. And then, 3 tablespoon of butter. So, yun siya. Yay! Sobrang liit niyan, guys. Parang malaki, di ba? Maliit yan. Guys, pinatindig ko yung guys. O, tignan nyo, guys. Pinatindig ko siya. Tulog siya. Tulog siya, guys. Palagi yung tulog. Yung light dito is on. I turn the light. Kalilinis ko lang, guys, ba? Yung kinuha yung dahon. O, dami na namang nahuhulog. Galing sa kahoy dyan. Kalog. Daming dahon, ay. Pasok tayo, pasok. Ang tagal ni Tami. Basta si Tami talaga mag-shopping, no? Basta siya yung mag-shopping. Sobrang tagal. Husband is here. So that means he is very late. So, my goal is right now is I'm going to tell him he's late. He's 7 o'clock. It's like 2 hours shopping. No. May kausap sa telephone yung sister niya. God, ang sakit ng ulo ko nitong mga kigwayards. Oh my God, ang lakas.
That pressure off.
Ang tagal niyan makipag-usap, guys. Kaya paminsan hindi ko yan sinasagot. Yung hindi importante. Kasi paminsan kasi tumawag yan. Aray, grabe, guys. Kahit ano na mga pinagsasabi and then maluluka ka. Ang tagal pa naman. Hindi ko naman maintindihan yung mga English. Hindi ko maintindihan din. Yung sometimes kinakain nila yung mga letter ba, mga word. Hindi ko magsasabi ko. Kaya ang daming binili. Oh my God, ang tagal. Ang tagal na. Ito, guys, wala ito sa plano, oh. Ba't bumili nito? Ang dami pa nito dito. Peanut butter. Wala din ito sa plano. Naloka. Dalhin ko muna ito sa loob kasi nabubungol ako nitong kapatid ni Tami. Guys, Tami, guys, is buying different thing. I write different thing and he buy different things.
You bought what you saw me buy.
Guys, I write asparagus.
No,
And
spag is
spaghetti.
not short for asparagus.
Okay,
Spag
but
is
that's
short, S-P-A-G
whatever,
period.
but in my understanding
Spaghetti.
is asparagus. So you should be understanding that.
Why should I understand that exactly?
Guys, you buy a lot of spaghetti.
Hey, you want a spaghetti?
You buy a lot of fucking spaghetti. Like, what am I
I
gonna
don't
do
know why you
with
want a spaghetti. I figured, alright, it's just more spaghetti.
this? Asparagus? Spaghetti. Liit na, guys. It's 7:30 na. Hindi pa ako tapos nagluto. Ano lang yung binaboil ko lang itong string beans. Yan. And ito. I-fry natin siya sa maraming garlic. Yung chicken ko is, din, natutulog na, oh. Sabi pa ni Tami, gumagawa daw sila ng itlog. Kasi, ang lubot daw at saka lubot ng lubot. Yung puwitan sa dalawa is magkaharap. So, gumawa daw sila ng baby. Dinner. Let's see here. Come here. Let's feel that thing. It's right there. Ganyan lang yan guys.
Look at that.
So, fill it. You need butter.
Butter.
And is it what I just found that it was lucky, huh? Like a frog, looks like a bigger frog version. There, make a thumbnail. Look at it. Han, you get it rolling. Han, put it out. Slide everywhere. Han, put it out. Very tiny.
You just cut them in half.
Okay, then.
Ah, get your nose down, kid.
Get down, bro.
Down. Go eat your own din first. Eat your din and don't come looking before that. Can't talk to you nice because you just don't pay attention.
Yeah. Guys, 10 o'clock na guys. Nalit ako guys kasi tinulungan ko si Bianan. Noon nahirapan kasi siyang huminga. So, kaya sobrang slow mo kami ngayon. Tinulungan ko pa siya sa paglilinis sa katawan niya doon before matulog. Yung kamay ko is sobrang dry, so kailangan kong maglagay ng lotion. Ito yung lotion ginamit ko guys. Eucerin. Basahin niyo na lang siya guys. Yan siya. Mawala talaga yung dryness ng katawan mo guys. Yung kamay, lalo't na palagi akong nagwawash. Kasi andito. Palagi naman ako nagwawash pero doble-doble pa yung pagwawash ko kasi alam niyo na. Andito si Bianan at saka tinutulungan natin. Naalala ko tuloy noong nag-ano ako ng CNA, nag-training. Kanta happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Hanggang matapos yung happy birthday, yun din, matapos mo magpag-wash ng kamay mo. Kailangan talaga daw mag-wash ng husto. Dry ng kamay ko talaga. Grabe. Si Roxy natulog na guys doon. Anyway guys, i-end na namin tong vlog. Naglalaba din si Tami ng damit ni Bianan na sinuot para malinis na before kami alis bukas. What are you doing up there? You park your butt already there. Why you park your hiney? Why you are here? Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay. Kaya hindi namin inano si Bianan. Dinala doon. Dapat dadalhin namin si Bianan balik doon sa sa kapatid ni Tami today. Pero andito si Tami. And so dito na lang. Hindi na lang namin dinala. Yan bukas kasi usually Tuesday dadalhin namin si Bianan sa dialysis. Obviously kami din yung maghatid. So hindi na lang namin dinala doon sa bahay ni Bianan, ni sister-in-law, para dito na lang, para hindi na kami magpunta doon. Diretso na lang kami drop sa kanya. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! He said good night. You said right? Yeah. Bye guys. Good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.